Hi viewers, it's Relic here. We're going to make an omelette. It's more like a frittata really, but it's a great snack this. It's good for an evening meal with chips, french fries or coleslaw, or you can eat it cold. It's great for a buffet or even a barbecue as a bit of a side dish, we're just going to fry some onions off with a bit of oil. There, and then 2 medium onions roughly chopped, and we're just gonna light the little stove. Drop the onions in. Okay, 2 medium onions roughly chopped. Right. In the pan there. On a bit of a low light, not a mad heat, because while the onions are softening and the plastic is going translucent, I'm going to prepare the other stuff as well. I'm going to put a teaspoon of this, it's called, we call it lazy garlic, but it's minced California garlic, and I get it from Costco. Great place to shop if you've got one close by. Nice spoonful of that, teaspoon. Look at the onions cooked up. While the onions are softening, I'm going to chop half a chorizo ring and get some lardons, bacon cubes, and they're going to go in the pan next, okay? Yeah, what you can see, I'm just going to cut the ring roughly in half. And, okay, I've got half a ring here, chorizo ring. I'm just going to score down the middle and take the outer skin off. Quite important this. It's really not nice if you leave it on. It's very chewy. It detracts the dish. It takes texture away and it's not pleasant. So take the skin off always. If you forget, you'll learn the hard way. Right. I'm going to add 200 grams of bacon lardons here. I'm going to cook them with the chorizo to give a fantastic flavour, absolutely fantastic. Yeah. We've added the bacon and the chorizo to the onions, and we're just going to slowly cook them until we get all the oils from the chorizo sausage, fantastic flavours, paprika you want from that, until the bacon starts changing colour, going slightly brown or golden. Right, yeah. While we're waiting for the bacon and onions to cook, I've chopped half of a green, yellow and red pepper, de-seeded it, I've chopped them in half and then chopped them. We're going to add that to the pan when the bacon's cooked. Not long after that we're going to add some spinach, and then we're going to add maybe 6 to 8 eggs, and then when we're happy with it cooked, put cheese on top of the omelette, frittata, whatever you want to call it, and then grill the cheese, okay? Right, as you can see there's some fantastic colours in there, it smells amazing. We've put the peppers in, you can see the bits of orange and red and green and yellow in there. The chorizo, bacon, onions and the peppers are cooked through now. What I'm going to do next is add some fresh spinach. I'm just going to tear it roughly, but before I do that I'm going to prepare the eggs. I'm going to beat together 8 eggs and add the spinach, cook the spinach for about 1.5 to 2 minutes max. If you cook it too long, the spinach goes soggy and it's not right for this dish. So, and then we're going to cook the egg slowly from the bottom, and while that's cooking I'll grate some cheese to cover the top of this, okay? Right, I'm going to add about
2 handfuls there of fresh spinach, and I've roughly torn it by hand, just rip it and rip it and rip it a couple of times. And I'm just going to make 2 big handfuls, okay, just drop that in there, stir it in. I'm going to turn the heat up slightly and cook it for about a minute. And turn the heat up a little bit, just stir the green in. Spinach is slightly darker, I know it's ready for the eggs. It's very close now, but you can see the spinach turning colour. It's a great way of getting fresh veg into kid this. You don't see it. It adds a bit of colour to it. Right, I'm happy with that. So now, I've already beaten eggs together, 6 to 8. In the eggs cup. Give this a right good stir. You want everything covered by the eggs. Then you want to level it out if you can do it. Turn the heat up now to get this cooking. Green there. Right. The tip for you viewers is you don't want the egg catching at the edge of the pan. And, a very talented cook can normally show me this trick. And just gently just keep going around the pan. Just to keep the omelette from sticking. Okay. Stop it sticking in the egg. The trick is we're going to cook this until it's almost bubbling in the middle. I'll show you, and then we'll drop the cheese on top. Okay. What we're going to do now is turn the grill on. Just going to cook the top of this with cheese. Strong cheddar, I like strong cheddar. Try and cover as much as you can. I've used about 200 grams here, roughly 200 grams of cheese. And what we're going to do in a minute is stick it under a grill which is already on and warming up nicely. Okay. So, heat off, you can smell it starting to catch slightly, so I'm under the grill. I'm going to cook it on a high light until the cheese has turned golden. There you go. That's, I call it a frittata, but there's no potatoes in it, so it's a pretty good omelette, is that. This is part of the 16-week diet, if anybody's interested. It's pretty good with coleslaw and skinny chips. Okay, enjoy. As good as it gets, viewers. Show you. Look at that. Your chorizo, your peppers, your spinach. Absolutely